Securing financial backing for scientific research from the general public requires a unique approach to credibility, transparency, and communication. Unlike traditional grants backed by institutional committees, science crowdfunding relies heavily on the direct relationship built between the researcher and everyday backers. Transparency in credentials forms the bedrock of online trust. Researchers establish this baseline security by linking their professional profiles, academic credentials, and institutional affiliations directly to their campaign page. Backers want to know that the person asking for funds actually possesses the scientific background, laboratory access, and methodological training required to execute the proposed study. Providing a clear trail of past work, peer-reviewed publications, or institutional backing reassures potential donors that their money supports a legitimate scientific inquiry rather than an unverified hypothesis. Simplifying complex methodologies without losing scientific integrity creates an accessible bridge to the audience. Academic jargon often alienates potential supporters who want to understand the real-world impact of a study. Researchers overcome this barrier by breaking down intricate hypotheses, variables, and data collection methods into plain language. Using analogies, clear diagrams, and relatable problem statements allows non-scientists to grasp why the research matters and how the specific experiment will test the core idea. Open communication channels throughout the campaign lifecycle maintain momentum and reassurance. Backers look for active engagement, regular updates, and prompt responses to questions in the comments section. When researchers post frequent progress logs, field updates, or behind-the-scenes looks at their lab setup, it demonstrates accountability and genuine enthusiasm. This ongoing dialogue transforms distant donors into active participants in the scientific journey, ensuring they feel valued long before the final results are published. Institutional compliance and ethical transparency further solidify public confidence. Studies involving human subjects, animal testing, or environmental sampling require explicit documentation of ethical reviews, such as institutional review board approvals. Proactively displaying these clearances signals to backers that the project adheres to strict safety and ethical standards. When researchers openly address potential risks, limitations, and regulatory steps, they prove their commitment to responsible, honest science, making supporters far more willing to invest their hard-earned money.